Number 21. Color goes well with. It means to complement or look good alongside another color.
Blue color goes well with white. Blue color goes well with white. This shade of green goes well with yellow. This shade of green goes well with yellow. Her scarf's color goes well with her coat. Her scarf's color goes well with her coat.
Number 22. Fruit goes soft. It means when fruit becomes ripe and loses its firmness.
The bananas went soft very quickly. The bananas went soft very quickly. If fruit goes soft, it may be overripe. If fruit goes soft, it may be overripe. Store apples properly, or they'll go soft. Store apples properly, or they'll go soft.
Number 23. Go cheap. It means to buy or sell something at a low price.
They decided to go cheap on their vacation. They decided to go cheap on their vacation. You can go cheap with these older models. You can go cheap with these older models. Sometimes, it's better not to go cheap on tools. Sometimes, it's better not to go cheap on tools.
Number 24. Go deaf. It means to lose the ability to hear.
He went deaf after the accident. He went deaf after the accident. Loud music can make you go deaf. Loud music can make you go deaf. She went deaf later in her life. She went deaf later in her life.
Number 25. Go for a run. It means to go running as a form of exercise.
I usually go for a run in the morning. I usually go for a run in the morning. Let's go for a run to clear our heads. Let's go for a run to clear our heads. She goes for a run every evening after work. She goes for a run every evening after work.